All right, how's everybody doing? I hope you had a really good 4th of July, and I know I did. I had a really great time out with some of my extended family. Played a little football. That's what happens when you throw a football around with a 15-year-old kid who's a high school quarterback. His dad warned me. He said, "Watch out, he throws hard." And I said, come on. How hard could he throw? I'm a decent-sized guy, probably weigh 215 pounds, and yeah. Turned out the kid, he threw pretty hard, so I came back with a broken pinky. No fun, no fun at all. Especially when your main job is teaching guitar, playing guitar, that kind of stuff, working with my hands a lot. So, yeah, that was my 4th of July. All that said, I still had a great time and took some time away from the city. That was great to get out in the wilderness and stuff. But anyways, I want to continue here on my path of opening up all these locks. And today is the day for the Keil. Now, I probably spent a total of 5 minutes picking locks over my weekend vacation. I brought my lock picking kit with me, just in case anyone might need it. Someone might get locked out of something. And, with my limited skill, hopefully it would be something that I would actually be able to help them with. But fortunately, that didn't happen. Also, unfortunately, because I was kind of looking forward to a challenge. But anyways, I figured I'd try the Keil out today. I haven't had any time to play with it. I haven't even tried picking this thing in at least a week. So let's see what happens. This could be totally disastrous. This might be Lux Locks number 4, epic fail. 4 is for failure. I hope not. We'll see. All right, so here's the Keil. Man, it's kind of sticky in there. It's almost like it hits something in there when it opens up. Yeah, you need some extra tension to open up, but yeah, here's the lock. Cleaned up pretty good. This one had a bunch of paint on it and stuff before I quote unquote restored it. I realize I've been saying in my videos that I restore locks and stuff, and after looking at the results I've got on some of the other ones, it looks more like I ruin locks, but this one actually restored up pretty good. Cleaned up quite a bit. It's still got residual WD-40 in there, so you see on that key it's all greasy, so keep a napkin here to wipe off some of that crud. That's a Bosnian Bill word there, crud. I don't know if I can get away with saying it, but I'll do my best. All right, so let's give it a try. Locked up, and top of the keyway tension. I'm going to use this Sparrow's tool here, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try my, let's try this snake rake first, see how that goes. This is a 5-pin lock, so it does have a little bit of a challenge to it. Those pins just feel like they're stuck. Let's try the upside down snake rake. See if it's gives me anything at all. Getting a little the cylinder's kind of turning back a little bit on some of this here. No, not a lot of love there. All right, let's try another tool. How about the curved half diamond? Hopefully this video looks a lot better than the rest of the videos because I just got a iPhone XS. I wanted to upgrade my capabilities, and after a lot of research and looking what was in my budget, this one just barely made it in the budget, that is, and seems like it has a lot of good capabilities as far as video goes. So yeah, wanted to get something nice to film with. Previously I was using a Samsung J7 Star, it was called, and I picked that up for about 250 bucks about I don't know, a year and a half ago maybe. And it was a decent phone, My other phone was an iPhone 6S. I keep two phones. I use one for my business, my studio, one for personal. And, oh, got it. Got it. Yes. That's awesome. Wasn't sure if I was going to get that today. I have not been working on locks at all. I haven't touched this thing, but anyways, what I was saying, yeah, the iPhone 6S, just had horrible video, and the Galaxy J7 Star, even though it's a cheap, real budget phone, that thing was looking pretty decent, at least compared to the iPhone. But yeah, this the 10S should work out a lot better in the future. Wow, cool. That's awesome. All right, well, short and sweet. I like that. All right, everybody. Well, that was a quick one. And I'm happy to wrap it up so fast because you know what? I haven't had dinner tonight. I've been at my studio working on stuff for the past several hours, and I'm happy to get out of here and go get something to eat and go home. It's Friday night, so chill out, probably have a couple beers. And yeah, here we are. We're in the halfway point. The Keil lock opened up today, no problem. Second tool, half diamond did it. Looking forward to the Yale next time. And after that, the Magnum, the Master Lock 77 that I still have yet to open. And then the Sparrows Progressive Kit. So, all right, guys, nice and short and sweet tonight. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. It's Friday here. If I don't get this one up tonight, I'll have it up tomorrow. So it might be Saturday when you see it. But anyways, guys, just want to say have a good one. Thanks for checking out the videos. And stay safe and stay legal. I'm just messing around. I'm not going to rip off Bosnian Bill. That guy will probably cut my feet off or something. Make me pick my own handcuffs open. Not a good idea. Anyways, I don't know. He might be a killer. He sounds like a commando with a name like Bosnian Bill. But either way, he could sue me, and then I'd have to find some kind of a lawyer that specializes in lockpicking. Good luck with that. Peace.